Hey guys, if you've been watching my social media lately or read some of my emails, you'll know that I'm launching MFY Guyoga. This is a totally revamped version of the Yoga Boost program that sold over 25,000 DVDs on Amazon. And I understand that you might have some questions. So on Thursday, March 21st at 6 p.m. Central Time, I'm going to be going live on YouTube to answer any questions about the upcoming program, go over some FAQs, and just try to answer as much and give you as much information as I can about MFY Guyoga. If you have any questions in advance, feel free to reply to this email or reply to this video or just leave a comment wherever you see this video. Leave a comment, send me an email, and I'll be able to answer your question when I do this live broadcast. But I really hope you're looking forward to the program. This is something that we've spent months on. Again, this program is based on DVD that has been extremely successful on Amazon, extremely helpful for people who are learning yoga, who might not typically do yoga. So this is the great way for the non-yogis to learn yoga, as well as people who are familiar with yoga. So again, I hope you're really excited for this program. I sure am. And if you're not already a MFY Guyoga VIP, you can become one for free. There's no obligation to purchase. It's just going to get you access to these videos and some clips from the workouts. And you can do that at manflyyoga.com, whatever the link is down here. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.